children, good morning. Welcome to offline classes. Today we are going to learn safety rules, nature and good manners, my country, air and water and months of the year. Okay, see first safety rules. Safety outside the house. Father, Vicky. Father, what are those white strips across the road? Father, this place is called the zebra crossing, Vicky. This is special place where you can cross the road safely. Okay? You must always cross the road only at a zebra crossing. Look to your right, then to your left, and your right again to see that no vehicles are coming, then cross the road. You must not play on the road as you can get hurt. Next, you must never try to board a bus that is moving. You can get badly hurt. Avoid taking anything from avoid taking anything from strangers and avoid talking to strangers. You should always walk on the footpath. Don't walk on the middle of the road. Always remember house address and telephone number. Inside the house, keep your house neat. Don't leave your toys and books lying around. You or others may slip on them and fall down. Do not play with these things. Blade, knife, tools, matchbox, fire, gas stove, electric switch, medicine, glass items. BLADE, blade, KNIFE, knife, TOOLS, tools, MATCHBOX, matchbox, FIRE, fire, GASSTOVE, gas stove, ELECTRIC, SWITCH, electric switch, MEDICINES, medicine, GLASSITENS, glass items. Nature, seasons. How many seasons are there? 3 seasons. What are they? Summer season, winter season, rainy season. See, summer. Vicky. Oh, it is so hot. Mother. Yes, Vicky, it is summer now. You normally enjoy holidays in summer. Enjoy your holidays but avoid going out too much in the sun. In the summer it is very hot. People use fans and air conditioners to keep cool. They wear loose cotton clothes. You must drink lots of water in summer. You can also have tender coconut, fruits like watermelon to feel cool. Rainy season. In the rain is a lot in the rainy season. People wear raincoats or carry umbrellas so that they don't get wet. Should be very careful while going out in the rain. If you do get wet, dry yourself well after coming home. Winter season. It is very cold in winter. People wear woolen clothes, sweaters and mufflers to keep themselves warm. In winter, the days are shorter and it gets dark sooner in the evening. Some places have snowfall. The sun and moon. Vicky, hurry. Hooray, it is bright and sunny day. Mother, yes Vicky, how lovely it is. Be thankful to the sun. We get light and heat from it. The sun is very, very hot. It is also very bright, but don't look at it directly. It can hurt your eyes. The sun is very far away from us. We can see it during the day, but not at night. The sun also helps plants grow. We get food from the plants. Vicky, why do stars look so small? Mother, the stars are very far away, even farther than the sun. That is why they look so small. You can often see stars at night. On most nights, you can see the moon in the sky. The moon is also far away from us, but not as far as the sun. You will see that the moon does not look the same every night. See now, air and water. What are you doing, Vicky? I am blowing up a balloon. Oh, the balloon is is so big now. What is inside it? Jolly. It is only air. Let me tell you about air and water. Air is all around us. We need air to live. We cannot live without air for even a few minutes. But we cannot see air. We need water to live too. We should drink a lot of water every day. Even animals and plants need air and water. So, uses of water. Many houses have piped water supply. We just open the tap to get water, but we must be careful not to waste it. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing clothes, and bathing. So, drinking, drinking, cooking, cooking, washing, washing, bathing. Be careful of the water you drink. Unclean water can make you sick. Drink filtered or boiled water. In some places, people draw water from a well. We can pump out water from the ground. These people are using water from rivers and lakes to bath and wash clothes. Vicky and Jolly are enjoying themselves. There is lot of water in the sea, but this water is salt. You can't drink it. Be very careful when you go to the beach. Never go near the water alone. Water is precious. Do not waste it. See, my country. Vicky, what is that further? That is our national flag, Vicky. Let me tell you something about our country. We live in a beautiful country called India. We are all Indians. We are lucky because our country has lots of good things and many wise and noble people were born here. We should be proud of our country. Our country has a large number of people. They spoke many languages, celebrate many festivals and live in different places. But they are all Indians and live together happily. New Delhi is the capital of India. Gandhiji is called father of our nation. He was a great man. He always spoke the truth. He never hurt anyone. He is respected all over the world. Okay, children, you should practice these mainly important words. Okay, air, water, India, Indians, New Delhi, Gandhiji, okay, zebra crossing. These are words you practice on the slate. Now, good manners. Vicky, our teacher likes Jolly very much, mother. Yes, Vicky, that is because Jolly has very good manners. People like those with the good manners. Jolly says please when she asks her friend for a book. She says thank you when her teacher gives her a chocolate. She says good morning to Mrs. Gupta when she meets her in the morning. Jolly has spilled Reena's milk by mistake. She says sorry if you need to interrupt when others are talking. She say excuse me. Jolly offers to share her lunch with Vicky. These good manners you should follow. Okay? See here. These decorate Santa Claus. Okay? Next, people at work. Vicky. Who is that great man wearing a white coat, mother? He is a doctor. Vicky. He gives medicine to people when they are sick to make them better. Nurse. Nurse help the doctor. They take care of the people who are not well. Teacher. Children learn a lot from their teachers. Farmer. A farmer cultivates land and grows food. Cobbler. A cobbler makes and mends shoes. Milkman. The milkman brings us milk every day. Barber. A barber cuts men's hair. A postman brings us letters and money orders. Policeman. A policeman protects us and our things from thieves and robberies. Computer programmer. A computer programmer writes computer programs. Banker. A banker manages our own bank. Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper sells things in his shop. Pilot. Pilot flies aeroplanes. Okay, you should practice these words. Nurse, teacher, farmer, cobbler, milkman, barber, postman, policeman, computer programmer, banker, shopkeeper, pilot. Okay, you should practice on the slate. Next, months of the year. When we go going on vacation, mother, Vicky asking his mother, Mother, it is only March now. We shall go in April. April come after March. Let me tell you the names of the months of the year. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. See, January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, you should practice on the slate mark. Which is your favorite month? Write it. Okay, you should practice these all and months of the year. Okay, now we will discuss about today. See, write the missing months. After January, February. After February, March. After March, April. After April, May, June. After June, July. After July, August. September. October. After October, November. After November, December. You should write these all. Okay? Next, page number 60 and 61 and 62. Draw the color. See here, draw the color. And here, read and color. So, triangle, red color. Triangles, two triangles. And ovals, blue color. And star, orange. Ovals, draw the blue color, not yellow color. Draw the blue color. Next, here, page number 62. See here, draw the color. Okay, next practice. See, page number 91, 92 and 93. Learn from your teacher. Trace here, write down. Next, January, January, February, February, March, April. Trace here, write down. May, June, July, August, September. Trace here, write down. Okay, this is your homework, children. Okay, you should practice on the slate those words. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class. Bye-bye.